Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at Cardano, ADA, which is currently testing a major support zone and could be preparing for a bullish swing move if buyers remain in control. Earlier today, I shared my latest ADA trade idea with our premium members, including the ideal buy zone, confirmation level, stop loss, and multiple profit targets. If you'd like to receive free daily market analysis, be sure to check out our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the video description and the pinned comment below. Now, let's get into the chart. ADA has been holding above a key support area while continuing to respect its ascending trendline, suggesting that buyers are still defending the current structure. The preferred accumulation zone is between $0.178 and $0.173, where strong buying interest has previously emerged. As long as ADA remains above this support region, the overall bullish outlook remains valid. If momentum continues to build, the first upside target is around 20 cents, followed by the next major resistance near 22 cents. For risk management, a strict stop loss is recommended. A decisive break below this level would invalidate the current bullish setup and increase the likelihood of further downside. While the risk-to-reward profile looks attractive for swing traders, it's always best to wait for confirmation before entering a position. Proper position sizing and disciplined risk management are essential for long-term success. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you bullish or bearish on Cardano, ADA, over the next few weeks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join our Patreon community using the first link in the description or the pinned comment for exclusive trade ideas, detailed market analysis, and member-only trading alerts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And a quick reminder, guys, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.